So now we've kind of covered everything to do with pain. People might now be going, you said pain and inflammation at the start. Where does kind of inflammation come in all of this?
So it's a good question because one of the main causes of pain is inflammation. If an area is inflamed, your body's going to be sending those pain signals to, it's a response from the body to heal that area. PEMF therapy affects the body at a cellular level. So what it does with those cells, it helps to positively charge those cells, which is going to let nutrients in the cells and waste materials out of the cells better. So just that process is helping to modulate those cells and reduce that inflammation. There's a modulation called cytokine, which basically is affecting the secretion of cytokines. It's a key regulator of the immune response and inflammation. So by modulating those cytokine levels, PEMF therapy can help to dampen the inflammatory response. So it's kind of dampening your body's ability to chuck a load of inflammation down at that area. Another byproduct of PEMF therapy on the body is the nitric oxide production. So if we can increase the production of nitric oxide in the cells, that is a molecule that is involved in different physiological processes, including the regulation of inflammation. So again, if we can increase the nitric oxide production within the body, that's going to help reduce the inflammation. Lastly, really, it's the regulation of the ion channel. So PEMF therapy may actually influence the cellular calcium levels. And actually those calcium levels play a crucial role in inflammation and the immune responses. So if we can reduce those, we can stop again a huge amount of activity within the inflammation.